Sophia Bush is helping to raise money for her ex-boyfriend Dan Fredinburg's charity after Fredinburg's tragic death in the avalanche on Mount Everest. Hi everyone, I'm Morgan Manousos and this is Buzz 60. When she first heard the news, the 32-year-old actress posted a photo to Instagram, writing, "There are no adequate words. Today I find myself attempting to pick up the pieces of my heart that have broken into such tiny shards. I'll likely never find them all. Today I and so many of my loved ones lost an incredible friend. Dan Fredinburg was one of a kind." Fredinburg was head of privacy for Google X and described himself as an adventurer on his social media profiles. He was climbing Everest on behalf of Orphan Gift in support of 2 Nepali orphanages when the earthquake struck. Sophia posted another photo to Instagram asking people to donate to Fredinburg's Crowdrise fundraising site. "He was raising funds for Orphan Gift. We will continue doing so for him. If his story has inspired you, helped light a fire in you, or touched your heart, please consider helping us carry out his mission." She also included a link to the site in her profile. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.